Our area could teach a lesson in handling coronavirus in the classroom. Of the 5 schools in the Clinton City school system in Sampson County, 2 are dealing with positive cases right now. WRAL's Gilbert Bays joins us live in Clinton with what that means to a small school system. Gilbert?
Yeah, Deborah, this is Sampson Middle School, and we're told that a bus driver here tested positive for COVID-19. He works in the cafeteria. Some folks were quarantined. Crosstown at Butler Avenue Elementary School, the same thing. We had a staff worker who tested positive, and so some folks were quarantined. Now, parents I talked with said that they believe that the school system just isn't being transparent enough about the COVID cases, and that has them concerned. Students in Clinton City schools have been back on campus since mid-August without any major COVID-19 outbreaks. But there have been students and teachers who have tested positive.
They're coming in contact with the people that are being tested for COVID or have come down with COVID, and they're not telling anyone. They're keeping it hush-hush.
This parent, who doesn't want to be identified, says school leaders are covering up the amount of COVID cases in the 5 schools in the system.
To keep up the image of we have no cases in Clinton. We're running it so good and we're doing the checks so well that no one is coming down with COVID when that is simply not true.
Superintendent Dr. Wesley Johnson says there's no cover-up. He says since school started in August, 3 employees and 4 students have tested positive for COVID-19. 2 cases are still active. In a statement, he says the school system has worked closely and communicated constantly with the local health department officials to deploy proactive measures such as contact tracing and 14-day self-quarantines. The question now, are school systems opening too soon? In an exclusive WRAL News poll released today, it shows 43% of those surveyed believe North Carolina public schools are reopening too quickly. 20% say too slowly, while 24% schools are opening at the right pace. Parents here in Sampson County just want to know what's going on with COVID cases so they can decide if they want to keep their kids in school. And in talking with the superintendent, he says that he has not heard from one parent about their concerns about COVID-19. Well, Deborah, since our story aired at 4 o'clock, I've gotten several calls from parents who say they plan to ring his phone off the hook tomorrow.
All right, Gilbert Bays live in Sampson County. Thank you, Gilbert.